Hi, my name is Kamsi and Nsolibe. I'm a student of UST. I scored 365 in the UTME examination, making me the top scorer of UST in 2025. My journey with UST began in February 2025. Although I joined late, the tutors immediately sent me links to all the previous classes which had been held, and this really helped me to catch up with all other students who have been there before me. The classes were always organized. There were homeworks to ensure we understood each topic. There were constant mocks to keep us on our toes. And I remember my first UST mock. I scored 188 over 400. Although I was disappointed, the tutors like Dr. Jeremiah and Dr. Josh and all other tutors, they were always there to encourage us, motivate us, and remind us to write down our dream scores to ensure that we believe that it's very possible for us to attain it. I remember when Jamb told us that we would be writing the UTME examination, UST immediately sent links to a group which was a class for scheduled students. This class really helped me like a whole lot because I saw some of the questions in my examination. They sent some likely questions, they taught us some little details which we would have forgotten maybe between the period we wrote the first Jamb and the rescheduled one. They sent us tips and videos for us to, remind ourselves of little things, and this came a long way. So I would recommend UST to every 2025 Postutme candidates and 2026 Jambites, because UST has a team of dedicated tutors who are doing everything they can to see every Jambite achieve their dream score. To every Jambite out there working towards attaining their dream score, I'm going to leave you with this quote which helped me throughout my Jamb season. It said, "Don't decrease the goal, but increase the efforts. And with God, you can achieve all things." So I wish you the best, and I'm sure that if you join UST and you pray, you work, everything is going to work out. Thank you.